Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Wales, a land steeped in rich history and breathtaking landscapes. Nestled in the heart of the United Kingdom, Wales boasts a diverse array of stunning scenery, from the rugged mountains of Snowdonia to the picturesque coastline of the Gower Peninsula. With its lush green valleys, dramatic cliffs, and serene lakes, Wales is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. But it's not just the natural beauty that captivates visitors. Wales is also home to a wealth of historical sites that tell the story of its vibrant past. From the majestic castles that dot the landscape, like Carnarvon and Conwy, to the ancient ruins of Roman forts, each site offers a glimpse into the lives of those who came before us. As we embark on this journey, we'll delve into the unique culture of Wales, where the Welsh language and traditions thrive alongside modern influences. You'll discover the warmth of its people, the richness of its folklore, and the delicious flavors of its cuisine. So, whether you're planning a visit or simply curious about this enchanting country, join us as we uncover the wonders that make Wales a truly remarkable destination. Get ready to be inspired by the breathtaking vistas and the deep-rooted heritage that await you in this captivating corner of the world. Snowdonia National Park. Snowdonia National Park is a breathtaking gem in Wales, renowned for its majestic peaks and stunning landscapes. At the heart of this natural wonder lies Mount Snowdon, the highest mountain in Wales, standing proudly at 1,085 meters. Its towering presence attracts adventurers from all over, eager to conquer its summit and be rewarded with panoramic views that stretch across the park and beyond. For outdoor enthusiasts, Snowdonia offers a plethora of activities that cater to all levels of experience. Hiking trails wind through the park, ranging from gentle walks to challenging climbs, ensuring that everyone can experience the beauty of this rugged terrain. The popular Snowdon Ranger Path and the Llanberis Path are just two of the routes that lead to the summit, each offering unique perspectives of the surrounding landscape. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, rock climbing and mountain biking are also popular pursuits, with numerous routes and trails available for exploration. Beyond the peaks, Snowdonia is home to rich wildlife and stunning lakes that enhance its allure. The park is a sanctuary for various species, including rare birds and playful otters, making it a paradise for nature lovers and wildlife watchers. The serene lakes, such as Llyn Pattern and Llyn Gwynant, provide perfect spots for kayaking, fishing, or simply soaking in the tranquil surroundings. With its breathtaking scenery and endless adventure opportunities, Snowdonia National Park is truly a must-visit destination for anyone seeking the wonders of nature. Cardiff. The capital city. Cardiff, the capital city of Wales, is a vibrant hub of culture, history, and modernity. At the heart of the city lies Cardiff Castle, an iconic landmark that dates back to Roman times. This stunning castle, with its impressive architecture and rich history, offers visitors a glimpse into the past while providing breathtaking views of the city from its towers. Just a short distance away, the Millennium Stadium stands as a testament to Cardiff's passion for sports and entertainment, hosting major events and concerts that draw crowds from around the world. The city is a melting pot of diverse dining, shopping, and entertainment options. From traditional Welsh cuisine to international flavors, Cardiff's restaurants cater to every palate. The bustling Cardiff market is a must-visit for food lovers, offering a variety of local produce and delicacies. For those looking to shop, the elegant arcades and modern shopping centers provide a mix of high-street brands and unique boutiques, ensuring a delightful retail experience. Cardiff's historical significance is complemented by its modern developments, making it a dynamic city that embraces both its heritage and future. The revitalized waterfront area at Cardiff Bay showcases contemporary architecture and a thriving arts scene, with attractions like the Wales Millennium Centre celebrating the performing arts. As you explore Cardiff, you'll discover a city that beautifully blends the old with the new, offering a rich tapestry of experiences that reflect its unique character and spirit. Brecon Beacons National Park. Brecon Beacons National Park is a breathtaking expanse of natural beauty, renowned for its stunning waterfalls, majestic mountains, and panoramic views that captivate visitors year-round. The park is home to some of the most picturesque waterfalls in Wales, including the famous SGWD Year Era, where you can walk behind the cascading water for a truly immersive experience. The towering peaks, such as Pen y Fan, the highest point in southern Britain, offer exhilarating hiking opportunities and reward adventurers with sweeping vistas of the surrounding landscape. Outdoor enthusiasts will find a wealth of activities to enjoy in the Brecon Beacons. The park boasts an extensive network of hiking trails, catering to all levels of experience, from leisurely strolls to challenging treks. Cyclists can explore the scenic routes that wind through the park, taking in the breathtaking scenery while enjoying the fresh air. As a designated dark sky reserve, the Brecon Beacons is also a prime location for stargazing, where visitors can marvel at the brilliance of the night sky, far removed from the light pollution of urban areas. The park's unique flora and fauna thrive in its diverse habitats, from lush woodlands to open moorlands. Rare species, such as the red kite and the elusive otter, can be spotted in their natural environments, making the Brecon Beacons a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. With its stunning landscapes and abundant outdoor activities, Brecon Beacons National Park is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking adventure and natural beauty. Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. Pembrokeshire Coast National Park is a breathtaking showcase of dramatic coastline, where stunning cliffs meet sandy beaches and charming villages dot the landscape. The park is renowned for its rugged cliffs that rise majestically from the Atlantic Ocean, offering spectacular views that change with the tides and seasons. Along the coast, you'll find pristine sandy beaches, such as Barrafundle Bay and Tenby, perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or simply enjoying the serene beauty of the shoreline. The picturesque villages, with their colorful houses and welcoming atmosphere, provide a delightful backdrop for exploring this coastal paradise. One of the highlights of Pembrokeshire Coast National Park is the Pembrokeshire Coast Path, a 186-mile trail that winds along the coastline, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Hikers can experience the diverse landscapes, from rocky outcrops to tranquil coves, while taking in the fresh sea air. The path is accessible for all levels of walkers, making it a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the area. The park is also a haven for wildlife, with diverse marine life thriving in its waters. Seals can often be spotted basking on the rocks or swimming in the sea, while seabirds such as puffins and guillemots nest along the cliffs. This rich biodiversity makes Pembrokeshire Coast National Park not only a stunning destination but also an essential sanctuary for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Conwy Castle. Conwy Castle stands as a magnificent testament to medieval architecture and a pivotal piece of Welsh history. Built in the late 13th century under the orders of Edward I, this impressive fortress is renowned for its well-preserved structure, featuring towering walls, imposing towers, and a strategic location overlooking the Conwy estuary. Its architectural brilliance has earned it UNESCO World Heritage status, recognizing its significance as one of the finest examples of military architecture in Europe. Visitors can explore the castle's ramparts and towers, gaining insight into the engineering prowess of the time while enjoying breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The historical significance of Conwy Castle extends beyond its impressive walls. It played a crucial role in the conquest of Wales and served as a stronghold during various conflicts throughout the centuries. The castle's strategic position allowed it to control the surrounding area, making it a key player in the turbulent history of Welsh independence and resistance against English rule. Adjacent to the castle lies the charming town of Conwy, where narrow streets are lined with quaint shops, cafes, and historic buildings. The town's picturesque harbor and the iconic Conwy Suspension Bridge add to its allure, making it a delightful destination for visitors. Strolling through Conwy, one can appreciate the blend of history and modern life, all while being enveloped in the enchanting atmosphere that this remarkable town and its castle provide. The Isle of Anglesey. The Isle of Anglesey, located off the north coast of Wales, is a stunning destination known for its breathtaking beaches, scenic coastal paths, and rich historical sites. The island boasts some of the most beautiful sandy beaches in the UK, such as Llandwyn Beach and Traerther Bay, where visitors can relax, swim, or engage in water sports against a backdrop of dramatic cliffs and azure waters. The Anglesey Coastal Path offers an incredible opportunity to explore the island's diverse landscapes, with panoramic views of the coastline and opportunities to spot wildlife along the way. Anglesey is not only a feast for the eyes but also a delight for the senses, with a unique culture and local cuisine that reflect its heritage. The island is known for its fresh seafood, particularly the famous Menai straight oysters and local lamb, which can be enjoyed in charming restaurants and cafes throughout the area. Traditional Welsh dishes and local produce are celebrated, making dining on Anglesey a memorable experience. Among the island's popular attractions is Beaumaris Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases impressive medieval architecture and offers insights into the region's history. The South Stack Lighthouse, perched on a dramatic cliff, provides stunning views and is a popular spot for birdwatching, particularly for puffins and seabirds. With its combination of natural beauty, rich culture, and historical significance, the Isle of Anglesey is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Wales. In this video, we've journeyed through the wonders and attractions of Wales, highlighting the breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture that make this country truly unique. From the majestic peaks of Snowdonia National Park to the dramatic coastline of Pembrokeshire, each destination offers its own set of stunning views and outdoor adventures. We explored the historical significance of Conwy Castle and the charming streets of the nearby town, as well as the captivating beauty of the Isle of Anglesey, with its pristine beaches and local cuisine. The key takeaways from our exploration emphasize the diverse experiences that Wales has to offer, whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a history buff, or a foodie eager to savor local delicacies. The warmth of Welsh culture, combined with its breathtaking natural beauty, invites everyone to discover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that define this remarkable country. We encourage you to embark on your own adventure and explore these amazing places, immersing yourself in the rich heritage and stunning scenery that Wales has to offer. If you enjoyed this journey and want to see more travel content, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting explorations and insights into the wonders of the world. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on our next adventure.